description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and guess what we got? We got another one from the folks over at Tapatio Ramen Noodles. Original! Oh boy, it's gonna be great! So, yeah, how you doing? It is the 23rd day of March. Why do I keep saying that? It's the 23rd day of April. Oh. It's a wonderful 23rd day of April, I gotta say it. Okay. We've got a big pot of water. We've got a big noodle block. Stick it in there. Stick it in there, all the way in. Leave it in there. Don't play around with it. Just stick it in. Wow, look at that. That right there. Look at that noodle block. Oh, it's kind of a little close. Oh, I was gonna just like mention how erect the noodle block was standing. Look at that. Oh, it lost. That's okay. Put stuff in boiling water, I don't know how quickly it's gonna become a flaccid noodle block. That's kind of the plan though, right? With the noodles. Anyways. So our great leader today has decided to flex his big boy muscles and is said he's got an order. If a boat, you know, this is during trying to make peace in the world. He's got it now. It's a standing order. If you see a boat coming through, shoot to kill. I don't know. Is he like AC/DC? I don't know. I just don't know. I guess we'll find out. But shoot to kill. Some people say shoot to kill. But yeah, not usually when you're saying that you're going to exercise some diplomacy and that you're in a ceasefire. We've got a ceasefire, except for the fact, shoot to kill. It's like, wow. Unhinged. Ridiculous. Smarm. Whatever. Hey, if you like the guy, that's your deal. Oh yeah. But it's Thursday. And Thursday's the gateway drug to Friday, and Friday's the gateway drug to the weekend. Tonight we've got a softball game. My daughter's team is going to win. That's what I've decided. I wouldn't be surprised. They've been doing really good. I don't know who they're going to play. Maybe they'll beat the Firecrackers. I hope they win. I think it's neat. There's a lot of noodles in this stuff. The Tapatio. A lot of noodles. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah. Got a very busy weekend planned. A good one, I hope. We'll see. But it's supposed to get like sunny out, nicer. It was supposed to be partly sunny today. I don't believe there's any partly sunny terminology being used in the local dialects. It's just like not that. So, what am I using? Oh, that's right. I'm going to use that one. Kind of going through my bowls, deciding which ones that look good when I use them and which ones never end up being right. I'm trying to downsize. I chucked a couple of them already. The ones that I really like that I've gotten at like Asian groceries, those I haven't gotten rid of. But the ones that I found like at the thrift store, there was like one, and all it makes me think of is the tile in the bathroom that I grew up in. Like this fake marble stuff on the walls of the shower. It's like, this doesn't look great. It's wide, it's shallow, but it's kind of like this grayish weirdness, and it's just like, it's not a motif that makes you think, wow, that's beautiful, and it makes the food look wonderful. It doesn't do that, not in the slightest. So it's the kind of thing I shy away from right now. 4, 3, 2, engaging, lifting off. All right. Let's give her a go. Here's what we got. Original Tapatio ramen noodle soup from the nice folks at Tapatio. A lot of noodle, like an intensely large amount of noodle in these blocks. Using my forks of choice. I don't like the bigger ones, but my wife gives me crap. She calls them my baby wavy forks. So don't make fun. I just like these forks. Noodle's good. Nice chew. I've rinsed the spoon pretty well. There's still some remnants, but I'm getting, at least off the noodle, I noticed some cumin and a little bit of heat. Yeah. There's something else in there too, and I don't know what it is, but it's good. It's good. It reminds me of smells and tastes from when I was a child in my mom's kitchen. But I like in the spice, in the drawer that had all the spices. But I don't know what it is. I know there's cumin in there. That's for sure. I'm gonna give that another flavor taste. It's nice and bright. I like that. Some scallion. Right there. I would normally say this deserves a fried egg, but I don't have any fried egg. I have an egg that needs to be used before it gets too marinated. So there's that. Look at those yolks though. Wow. I need to get more of these too. That's what I should be doing. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Oh, I gotta remember, I gotta go run by my kid's school tomorrow. Where did that go? Let's see, where do I want to put you? I think I want to put you right there. wish I had some sprinkled cheese, as we like to call it here. Cheese sprinkle. Crushed red pepper, why not? I really want to find that sprinkled cheese. My guess is that we're out. I guessed wrong. What's the date on this stuff? July 12th. Beautiful. Just beautiful. July 12th. It's not even close to that. Yeah. Okay. You melt. Like you wanna. I used a different hot sauce before. I'm not gonna do that again. If I had Tapatio, I would use it. I generally don't. I use another brand, and I won't mention them. Just because that feels like not kind. Tapatio's alright. Tapatio ramen, I like definitely better than Tapatio sauce. But there you go. It'll melt more in the latter pictures that you'll be able to see, the thumbnail for this video, as well as the full post. That'll be on www.theramenraider.com. Watch it rotate. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, I mean it. Go to theramenraider.com. It's where I do all my work. This is just a part of it. This video is just a part of what I do. So yeah, go check it out. Top 10 lists, bottom 10 lists, cups lists, country specific lists, weird recipes. Like I made ice cream out of ramen. I made pizza with ramen. I made bread with ramen. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.